Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today I have a quick travel tip and I'm going to show you the only credit card in Canada which happens to be a Visa credit card that comes with both no foreign currency transaction fee and free lounge access. And if you're traveling, then this is the card you should be taking. So this is a Visa Scotia Bank, a Visa Infinite passport credit card, and this is $150 annual fee. And this is the only Visa card in Canada which gives you both free lounge access and both no foreign currency transaction fee. So whenever you're doing any transaction in non-Canadian currency, then you're not going to get hit by 2.5% currency transaction fee like other credit cards. And the other good thing is that you're getting free lounge access. Now you may want to think that you don't want to pay $150 annual fee, but if you're just doing only one trip a year, then it covers your annual fee because it also comes with full travel insurance, and it has insurances like trip cancellation, trip interruption, emergency travel, medical, and any kind of insurance you can think of. So if you had to buy travel insurance separately when you're traveling, then the cost is going to be more than the annual fee of this credit card. But as an added bonus, you're also getting the free lounge access and no foreign currency transaction fee. So again, this is the Scotia Passport Visa Infinite card, and this is not a paid or affiliated review. For the next travel tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.